Today I will show you how to unclog your slow or stop sink with a cheap tool that costs under $10 and will solve this problem. As you can see, my water is going down. It's going down, but it's going down pretty slow and it's just not acceptable. First step is to remove that top cover from your sink. If you have another style of sink, you might have to it might have a screw, but it's the same concept. Just remove the top and insert this tool that you spin by hand on the top, and as you spin, it just grabs any hair that might be in your drain. There, I got the first little bit. You should use gloves to remove that because it's very messy. So there, I'm just spinning the tool in reverse so that the hair just stays on the glove. And then you insert again. You just keep fishing until you get right there. I didn't catch anything. Just keep fishing. You need to use patience. And there, I pulled out more hair. And yeah, that's why I was having this problem. So now when we open the water into the drain, it's fast. And then you just go again, make sure you don't have any leftover debris in your drain. And I couldn't catch anything on those. If this is a simple tool that you could have under your sink. If this tool does not solve your problem, you might need a longer tool. And then just verifying that it's all unclogged, and it's perfect. So this is how I unclog my sink. And thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like. Thank you.